Mists and essences are showing up in more and more skincare brands' product offerings. But are they really worth your purchase? Do they really have an anti-aging effect on your skin? Hi, I'm GloryB and this is GloryB-TV. I'm always on the lookout for good skincare products that work well for women over 50 with a variety of price points. I'm 65 now, so anything I can do to improve my skin is a bonus for me. A few other YouTubers have covered mists and essences in previous videos, often reviewing products that are K-beauty or Korean beauty products. Now, I was presented with 3 brands products recently, and I thought I'd take a few minutes to review them and to ask, do we even need them? Have you already tried an essence or a mist? Please let us know in the comments which brands you've tried and what you thought of them. First, let's define the difference between a mist and an essence. Now, a face mist is a liquid that comes in a spray bottle that you spray or mist onto your skin. The primary purpose of it is to hydrate. An essence is a concentrated liquid formula that you use as your first step before your serum and your moisturizer. The ingredients in the essence are beyond those in the mist, and they help to replenish a skin barrier, brighten your skin, and hydrate. Essences are usually more expensive than mists. All products I'm showing you today are listed and linked in the description box below the video and in the first comment. Now, to open the description box on a phone or a tablet, tap the word more and then tap the word more a second time, and the box will open completely. If you prefer to use the first comment to find everything, below the video, tap the word comments and then tap the words read more, and my first comment will open completely. Let's start with Dermalogica's product, which they call Hyaluronic Ceramide Mist. But is it really a mist, or is it an essence that you mist onto your face? Is it only for hydration, or is it for more than that? Now, I think the title gave it away. Hyaluronic and ceramide in the product's name tells you it's giving you more than just simple hydration. Now, let's look at the product description. It says, saturate skin with hydration and lock in moisture to help bounce back. Long-lasting, hydrating hyaluronic acid and ceramide mist helps to smooth fine lines and strengthen skin's barrier. Skin-nourishing, hydration-rich mist utilizes 4 types of hyaluronic acid, helping skin hold on to water for long-lasting hydration. Moisture barrier-boosting hyaluronic acid and ceramide formula helps smooth the appearance of fine lines, sealing in hydration for supple skin that bounces back from stress. Calming aromatic rose water with antioxidant-rich polyphenols and flavonoids helps to revive and refresh. Nourishing formula leaves skin feeling smooth and soft. So there you have it. This is an essence. Their directions for how to use it say to spray it on your face and neck after cleansing. They also say it's ideal as a refreshing spritz throughout the day. Now let's see how I like it as a spray. All right, here we go. I'm pretending it's, throughout the day. Woo! Okay. I can definitely smell the rose water in it, but I will tell you, it's really wet. Okay, coming out of the sprayer, it's not misty. It's, you saw me kind of jump. Now, Dermalogica is a pricey brand, and for their prices, I think they need to find a better spray nozzle that will make the product come out as a light mist and not as wet as it does. Next, I have the Dermatology Plump Biomist. They're also calling their product a mist, but is it really an essence? Let's look at their own description of the product. It says, quench your skin with an instant refreshing burst of hydration. Plump Biome replenishes moisture while supporting a healthy skin microbiome, leaving skin plump, revitalized, and radiant. Formulated with hydrating and skin-soothing ingredients like hyaluronic acid, lentil, and green tea extract to improve skin elasticity, brighten skin tone, and prevent a dry, dull complexion. So this one is also an essence. Their directions for how to apply it are similar to the Dermalogica product. Just spray it on after cleansing and then again is needed throughout the day. Now, let's see how it feels when I spray it on my face. Ready? Oh, oh, yeah. Okay. This one's even wetter than the than the Dermalogica product. Okay, out of the spray. It has no scent at all, which I like because I'm all about unscented products as much as possible. But eh, this thing is really wet. So I think they need to get a different sprayer too. Now the upside is that they sell this in the small bottle, so it's cheaper to give it a try. Third, I have a brand that's new to me, Symbiome, and their product is called the Essence Rejuvenating Mist. Well, that let the cat out of the bag. This is definitely an essence. In their description of the product, they say the following. They say, the Essence Mist is a significant advancement in our ongoing journey to restore lost microbiome function and combat free radical damage that induces discoloration and loss of elasticity. With a proprietary blend of postbiomica, microbial lysates, and enzymes, the mist provides you with the robust antioxidant function that pre-industrialized human populations once had to mitigate sunburn and cellular deterioration. A defense against damaging reactive oxygen species you won't find anywhere else. Now, the brand pointed out to me that each of their products have a short list of ingredients. This essence only has 6 ingredients. Now, the main ingredient in the Symbiome products across the board is adult adipose stem cell conditioned media. Well, what does that mean? First, the stem cells in their products come from a healthy human adult's fat cells, and those cells were harvested once. So, from an alive adult. Future products are all made from that original source. In researching this further, I found that adult adipose stem cells are used in a variety of medical uses for healing wounds and healing some types of surgical sites. Now, the directions say to spray it on as desired throughout the day, but a woman I spoke to at Symbiome said to also apply it after cleansing. Now, let's see how this one feels when I spray it on my face. I'm a little trigger shy. Okay, now that's a myth. That's nice. It's not wet. I can smell a faint scent of the rose water, but it's so faint, it's not as strong as the rose water smell of the Dermalogica brand. But the sprayer works as it should. I mean, you didn't see me wince, right? With the other two, I was wincing, but this is nice. Oh my gosh. If I just spray, whoa. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. Spraying the other two, I have papers here, I have notes. I don't want all that wet going on in my notes. This is a sprayer, and this is how a sprayer should work. So I would definitely say this one's from Symbiome is the winner in terms of it feeling like a mist and not feeling wet. It also gets bonus points for having the adult adipose stem cell conditioned media. Now, since this brand is new to me and many of my viewers really like stem cell based skincare products, I want to show you Symbiome Serum called the Answer Reparative Serum. It comes in this cute packaging. Now, the brand is really about restoring the skin's microbiome and using the stem cell ingredient and a small number of other ingredients in each of their products to achieve that. Now, their serum is their key product, and its first ingredients in its list of ingredients is that stem cell conditioned media. You only use 3 or 4 drops of the serum after cleansing. Or if you're using the Essence Mist, you apply the serum after the mist. They even told me to apply this serum before vitamin C serum to allow this to absorb into my skin first. So this serum also has only 6 ingredients, and its number 1 listed ingredient makes up 50% of the product, which is that stem cell conditioned media, along with peptides, growth factors, exosomes, and cytokines to absorb to the deeper layers of the skin. Now, even though they also sell moisturizers, cleansers, and several types of oils, a company representative told me many customers only buy the serum and the essence mist. They like the concentration of both and what the stem cell ingredient does for their skin. I also have a 15% discount code for you for Symbiome if you'd like to give it a try. Now, if you're just looking for a mist and not an essence, a makeup setting spray can do the trick for you. Now, to set my makeup, I've been using for a long time the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. This one has a decent mister and no scent. Let's give it a try. I'm still trigger shy. Yeah, see, that was nice. And you can use this one during the day if you want. I spray it on after I have all my makeup on, including my mascara. So it's a nice mist. Now, the thing is, if you're on a strict budget and the Urban Decay product is too expensive, because it is a little pricey, then this setting spray from e.l.f. may be what you're looking for. It's the e.l.f. Stay All Night Microfine Setting Mist. Now, is this sprayer really microfine? I don't know. But the price per ounce is a lot less for e.l.f. than for the Urban Decay setting spray. All products mentioned are listed in the link below, along with what I'm wearing today. If they're also available in the YouTube shopping, a button appears near the lower left corner of the screen for you to tap or click. Now, are you interested in more anti-aging skincare products? Tap one of the images on the right side of your screen, and I'll see you in the next video.